Please stand by for a national emergency bulletin from Her Majesty's government. Please stay on this broadcast to await further instructions and information. Please stand by for a national emergency bulletin from Her Majesty's government. Please stay on this broadcast to await further instructions. We interrupt regular programming to bring you this emergency bulletin from the BBC and Her Majesty's government. This is an urgent update to the discovery of a black hole event that was spotted within the Kuiper Belt about 1 month ago. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in cooperation with the United Nations, has confirmed that due to the magnitude and mass of the black hole, the chances of it engulfing the solar system, including Earth, within the end of the year are very high. Comet-sized objects have been recently reported to hit numerous parts of the world, including the United Kingdom. It is advised for residents to stay cautious and clear of these objects and the damage caused by them. Once the black hole reaches Earth, a process called spaghettification, or also known as the noodle effect, will take place. All life forms, including humans, that come into contact will have no more than less of a second to react to this extreme gravitational field. Nothing and nobody will be able to escape alive. Please continue to stay on this broadcast, as it is vital to your morality and life. It is advised for the following precautions given by Her Majesty's government to be taken into consideration immediately. Engage in comforting tones, conversations, and activities with your children and loved ones. Keep those and yourself calm, as it is important to not leave them in emotional and mental distress due to this event. Panicking will only waste what time is left. Gather any loved ones and engage with any safe and legal religious activities as you please, as this is proven to bring comfort and peace. If no religion applies to you, engage in other comforting activities. Her Majesty's government strongly urges you to stay in line with the law. Even during these unfortunate times, the peace is to be kept in any way possible. Any person who participates in looting, civil unrest, and other criminal engaging activities, force will be met, even lethal if necessary. The Queen will make a speech in 1 hour regarding this event. We will stay high in God's grace until the end. We will not fall. Her Majesty's government thanks you for your cooperation and will soon return to normal programming.